Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Tesla Model 3. First, download the Tesla app on your smartphone and create your account. This app is crucial for managing your vehicle. Next, pair your phone as a key, which allows for seamless entry and starting. Finally, connect your Model 3 to your home Wi-Fi network to ensure you receive the latest software updates efficiently. Now, let's personalize your driving experience. Adjust your seat and steering wheel to your comfort using the touchscreen controls. Then, create individual driver profiles for yourself and any other drivers. This saves preferences like mirror positions and climate settings. You can also customize the display and various control settings to match your personal style. Next, let's cover charging and software. Familiarize yourself with your charging options, whether at home or at a supercharger, and set up charging schedules. Enable automatic software updates to keep your Model 3 current with new features and improvements. Also, take time to explore the various safety features and driver assist systems available in your vehicle. Finally, let's explore some advanced features and helpful tips. Utilize the intuitive navigation and entertainment systems for an enhanced driving experience. Don't forget to set up Sentry Mode and other security features to protect your vehicle when you're away. For more great tips and deals, including a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the description below. Enjoy your new Tesla Model 3.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.